Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shah Sir Classes. My dear students, I hope you all are doing well, prepared well for your academic board exam. No worries if you have any doubts, such as what to study and what not to study, finding difficult to pass in English, or even to score in English. You are expecting some short questions which might be appearing in the upcoming board exam. For this all your doubts, we have a single solution. That is this video. So this is the video is for SSLC First Language English students of Karnataka State Board. Already we have done with four parts, part 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now this is part number 5. In previous four parts, that is prose 1, 2, 3, 4, we have completed, and this is prose number 5, that is moral action. My dear students, please make sure that in this video what all the things we are going to cover. In a short video, we are going to cover the summary related to this chapter, the previous year questions related to this chapter, and model question paper of this academic year, all the model papers questions along with the solutions, and then your state level preparatory exam questions with solutions, and also we are going to cover the 100% sure expected questions related to this chapter. So it's a bundle of everything. Chota pack, double dhamaka offer, right? Good. If you have not watched our previous parts, please do watch it and ensure that you are going to learn each and every question out of it. Now let me start with prose number 5, moral action. Now, introduction. This is an essay, Moral Action by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. So Mahatma Gandhi explained the importance of doing what is right and even when it is difficult. Okay. As you know that Mahatma Gandhi ji always follow non-violence in Satyagraha. Right? So Mahatma Gandhi always they want everyone to speak truth. They never want someone should go and tell any false. Right? महात्मा गांधी जी का बस यही एक चीज है अहिंसा मतलब कि वो कभी भी झूठ बोलना नहीं चाह रहे थे और झूठ बोले नहीं और उसके साथ साथ वो नॉन वायलेंस नहीं मतलब कि वो वायलेंस नहीं चाहते थे किसी को झगड़ा करना उनको पसंद नहीं था राइट या सो गांधी जी believes that true moral action comes from selflessness and honesty rather than fear personal gain or desire for the praise. About this we are going to study in detail. Let me study. Now what do you mean by moral action? So moral action is selflessness. Just now I said you right, selflessness. Yeah, this is the one. What do you mean by selfless or selflessness? It is done without expecting rewards. Selflessness is nothing but we are doing some work, okay, in the name of God. We don't want anything out of it. हम जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उसके उसके लिए जो भी काम हम कर रहे हैं इसके लिए हमारे को कोई रिवॉर्ड नहीं चाहिए हमारे को कोई अप्रिशिएट करने की जरूरत नहीं है वी आर डूइंग जस्ट फॉर सिंपल थिंग दैट्स इट इट इज डन विदाउट एक्सपेक्टिंग रिवॉर्ड्स जैसे कि अगर से मैं काम किया तो समझो वो मेरे को अप्रिशिएट करेंगे वो मेरे को पैसे देंगे नो नॉट एट ऑल दैट इज सेल्फलेसनेस as you can see right now what I'm doing of course it is selflessness I don't want any reward I don't want any appreciation it is just my belief that I just want to share my ideas I want to share my knowledge that's it if someone is getting benefit out of me I am the first one who will be in that spot it's right from the beginning I can't change myself it's my attitude right next truthfulness it follows honesty and fairness truthfulness is nothing but they want honesty next fearless it is done out of fear or pressure fearless fearless it is not done out of fear or pressure कोई भी चीज प्रेशराइज की वजह से किसी का धमकाने की वजह से करना जरूरी नहीं है नो नॉट एट ऑल it is not done out of fear or anyone's pressure okay now today you are studying it's for your sake you're not studying for others today if you get certificate it is your certificate it is not at all my certificate isn't it? So you no need to get any fear. You no need to get any pressure from anyone's end. Today what you are doing, it is for you. So please make sure that today what you are studying, it is for you. Today if you study well, definitely tomorrow your life will be secured. If not, Of course, you can understand what is going to happen, right? Yeah. He argues that true morality does not come from obeying rules blindly, but from understanding what it is right and what it is wrong, and also with sincerity. See here, children, this true mortality, from where does it comes? It is comes from obeying the rules. You have to follow the terms and conditions. You have to follow the rules. Then only this true mortality will come. This true mortality will come only when we obey the rules. Okay. It means someone is telling you to do some work. So blindly you don't accept it. First check whether it is right or wrong. If it is right, if you feel that is correct, go ahead. So blindly you should not follow anyone. Blindly you should not get into work. Understood? So first and foremost, find the terms and conditions, check the things, whether it is right or wrong, then just go ahead. Now, for an example, you're watching this video. I'm not pressurizing you that you have to watch it and you need to subscribe to my channel. If you like, if you trust on me, then definitely you are going to subscribe. Definitely you will watch. Definitely you will follow me. Isn't it? Yes. So this is called as true mortality, which comes only once we follow them in a correct manner, but not by any sort of fear or any sort of pressure. Now, children, moral action versus selfish action. Now, what is the difference between moral action and selfish action? Let me see here. Some people do good things because they fear punishment or want praise. थोड़े लोग अप्रिसिएशन के लिए, ओके, शाबाशी के लिए करते हैं, या कोई लोग ऐसे भी करते हैं, अगर से मैं ये काम नहीं किया तो मेरे को डांटेंगे, नहीं मेरे को डांट आज नहीं खाना है, मेरे को ये काम किसी भी हाल में खत्म करना है. इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट डूइंग फ्रॉम योर हार्ट, यू आर नॉट डूइंग फ्रॉम योर सेंस, you are not doing from your own sense, you are doing because of someone. Understood? So some people do things because of these things, okay, because of punishment or because of certain appreciation, किसी की शाबाशी के लिए, किसी के दबाव में आकर काम करते हैं. So गांधी जी says that this is not true mortality. ये जो काम है ये गलत है. It is not true mortality. अगर सही mortality क्या होगी? When we do the things, right things to do, even no one is watching. As you know that if no one is watching, definitely the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching, the God is watching, isn't it? Of course. So this is called as a true moral person. Who is the true moral person? The one who is going to do the right thing even though no one is watching. So, for example, helping a poor person without expecting recognition is a moral action, while helping only to impress others is nothing but not true morality. So, moral action is helping someone without any recognition. What is selfish action? Selfish action is we are helping others because of certain appreciation or any rewards. Example, as you can see, sacrificing for others, moral action. Speaking the truth, moral action. Helping others, moral action. These all are what? Moral action. Our soldiers, they are fighting, isn't it? They are fighting. What for? To save us, to protect us. That is moral action. Similarly, fighting for freedom, justice, truth without any selfish motives. These all are the principles of Mahatma Gandhi ji, MK Gandhi. Now, let me conclude. True moral action is selfless and does not and done with sincerity, with complete desire, with complete respect. So we should do what is right, even if someone is not appreciating also. Someone is not recognizing also. It doesn't matter. See children, today I am speaking with you. Someone is watching or not, I doesn't mean. How many likes will come? I doesn't mean. How many peoples will view? I doesn't mean. Okay, let one become perfect. It's enough for me. Let it be one. Let one student watch this. Let one person watch this. Inshallah, I believe these questions are going to appear. But today, if I tell you that this only is going to come, then I'll become a selfish. I'll become a selfish. No, I don't want to become a selfish. Go ahead. Try. Then you go. Try over there. Today I'm trying here. You go and try over there. Then you will understand after once you solve your first paper how many questions are going to appear from my these videos. how what I am going to talk today, how much it will be helpful, then definitely you'll understand what is Shah Sir. Okay, no worries. So always be kind, truthful, and also do the work without any fear and pressure. Okay, now this is the summary of the moral action. Just know what all the things I have discussed. I have given in a short note. So this short note will be definitely helpful for you people while you are writing the answer. Okay, you can use these points while you are going to construct the answer. जब आप आंसर लिखेंगे तो ये points को आप consider कीजिए. Now, these are the questions from the previous year board exam related to this chapter. What is moral action? Give an example. How does a moral action differ from an ordinary action? Why is truthfulness important in moral action? Describe a real life example of a moral action. What are the three qualities of a moral person? How do moral actions help in building a better society? Why should people practice moral actions in their daily life? Okay, so these are the questions from your previous year papers, which we have given the question along with the answers. Here I have given the key points. So the same by using the key points, even you can construct a constructive answer. ये की पॉइंट्स को लेके आप एक पैराग्राफ बना के भी आप लिख सकते हैं. ओके, ठीक है. अभी मैं जो दिया हूं आपको समझने के लिए, ये सेम आंसर्स को लेकर, ये पूरे की पॉइंट्स को लेके आपका खुद का एक पैराग्राफ बनाइए और जितना सेंटेंस पूछा जा रहा है उतने सेंटेंस के हिसाब से आप लिखिए according to the given question and also the sentence. And my dear students, still if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can find the instant updates and notifications from our end, time to time. Okay? And also, after you watch this complete session, share this video with your near and dear ones. Who knows, the one who is in need, definitely he will be this video will be helpful for them. That is the reason, nothing else. Okay. And also comment how was this class, how was this session, how these sessions are helpful, and what video you want me to make next. Okay. And these are the expected questions. In these questions, I have added up your model papers questions are there. All the four model question papers questions are there. State level preparatory question paper questions are there. And also my questions from my end, what I'm suggesting for this year, what I'm expecting from for this year, even those questions are also there in this session, in this video. Okay. So what makes an action truly moral? Explain with example. Why do people hesitate to do moral actions sometimes? How can school teach students about moral values? Why is selflessness an important part of moral action? What is the role of moral action in reducing corruption and injustice? Write a note now on Mahatma Gandhi's view on action promoted by motives of happiness in another world. Gandhiji says whether an act is moral or not depends upon the intention of the doer. How does he explain this criterion? Mahatma Gandhi, MK Gandhi says that a moral act should be done without compulsion. Explain with example. So, what qualities of Daniel Webster are mentioned by Mahatma Gandhi? So, these are the set of questions we have carried out. And for certain questions, you need to write the answer a bit more than this. As I said you, these are the key points. अभी मैं फिलहाल के लिए की पॉइंट दिया हूँ, की पॉइंट्स लेकर आप मार्क्स के हिसाब से आप आंसर को कंस्ट्रक्ट कीजिए. Okay, you construct the answer according to that. Hope so. This session is important for you all, right? Hope so. This session is important. Very good. Take care. All the best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Follow us on Telegram, Facebook, YouTube, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn, Threads. The name is one and only Shah Sir Classes. Take care. All the best. And one more thing. The PDF link of this page will be given in the below description of this video. And also we'll be sharing the PDFs in the Telegram group. So you can join and instantly you can get downloaded these all PDFs over there. Take care. All the best.